Sir, madam, principal sir is join. Kindly start the program. Hello.
Good evening, honorable dignitaries and dear participants. Sorry for the delay. Good evening, everyone, honorable dignitaries and dear participants. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. We are gathered now for the valedictory program of AICTE Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on leveraging machine learning and data science in healthcare and MedTech, organizing by CSC Data Science Department, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. This program, spanned from 6 to 11 January 2025, promises to be an enlightening journey into transformative power of technology in healthcare. This program has been an incredible journey full of insightful sessions and opportunities. And today we celebrate the culmination of this enriching experience. Let me take a moment to introduce the dignitaries which are present with us today. Our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Jayant Deshkar, our principal, Dr. P.L. Nagtode, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Head of the Department, CSE Data Science, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad-Patil, Professor Abhimanyu Dutonde, Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. We are honored to have with us today as our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Jayant Deshkar, Group Project Manager at Infosys, Nagpur. He is a results driven IT professional with 20 plus years of experience in managing large scale projects worth of dollar worth of 20 million, leading teams of 100 plus. Let me take a brief Let me take a moment to give the brief introduction of our chief guest Mr. Jayant Deshkar. His key expertise include project management, pre-sales, MSA, SOW preparation, risk management, change management, strategic planning and people management. His technical skills include Oracle applications, Oracle technologies, XML publisher, JDeveloper, NetBeans, Android Studio, Oracle database and cloud. His methodologies are design thinking, SDLC, ISO, CMMI, Agile, DevOps and data modeling. His professional experiences are he managed large scale project with team of 100 plus members and budget over $20 million. He delivered projects across various geographies including EMEA, Canada and the US. He worked as a apps DBMA in Oracle on demand with expertise in Oracle applications and utility knowledge. He developed strong technical skills in Oracle, Microsoft, open source, cloud and mobility. His specialized areas are Oracle applications, Oracle technologies, project management, quality assurance, team management, strategic planning, design thinking, data modeling. His professional experience includes 20 years and 6 months as a group project lead in Infosys. Now, presently, he worked as a group project management from July 2022 to current. I invite Mr. Jayant Deshkar to deliver the welcome address to our participants.
Hello, is it
Yes,
audible?
yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Saira, for introducing myself to all the team members who are participant in this training program. First of all, I would like to thank you, basically the college legendary conclusion, I guess, correct? So already this training already been happened, correct? Online training happened. I was just going through quickly some of the topics, and basically wanted to understand what has been done. So first, before starting, giving some of the inputs from my side, thanks to principal sir, thanks to all the committee members who actually give me this opportunity. And yeah, so this program, which I was just going through it, like machine learning and data science in healthcare and medtech. But just to tell you what is this program,
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
is it
Sir, your voice is breaking. No, sir, your voice is breaking.
audible? Hello,
Yeah, now you are audible, sir. Yeah,
hello,
you are audible.
hello.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah. So definitely the area that basically of this program, healthcare and tech, medtech, leveraging machine learning and data science. So coincidentally, what I was telling, like I am involved in some of the startup mentoring, and I mentioned to Anand sir also. So we are working on one US healthcare platform, okay, where I came into connect with healthcare. Earlier also, I delivered some of the programs in the healthcare side around EHR data site solutions. But considering the AI, the way AI is getting into everywhere, correct? Machine learning and data science in healthcare is definitely going to be the area which is going to have more presence, because this is likely human health we are talking about, and because we are all connected and we have a lot of sensors around us, directly or indirectly. Definitely there are a lot of data which is going into the cloud, where each of these cloud providers, correct, top five are obviously Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. These are the 4 5 cloud providers, correct, which holds maximum data of the globe of the individuals, correct. So and then there is a healthcare and medtech policies across countries, correct. So that's going to be a uh, more and more getting data driven, more and more it will be available on the cloud, accessible to individual doctors, hospitals, and obviously government is going to play a key role into this, because there's a data privacy, and then a lot of innovations is going to come and will happen on the real-time data which is coming from individuals, indirectly or directly. Okay, so obviously we need to have this kind of awareness programs, where we should hopefully some of the topics would have been covered on this area already in the last 1 or 2 weeks that this program was running. And obviously the faculty members, if understand that, they have basically a great opportunity uh, to guide their students in the right direction, along with some of the industry platforms which are already working on it. Primarily, if you see, the Microsoft is a healthcare platform which is really going good, and there are a lot of boutique solutions are around healthcare and medtech using the machine learning and data science. I heard a couple of startups working in Nagpur also. We are very niche into some of these areas they're working. We should even go and connect with them and see, because that's not just a technology, by the way. We are even talking about the domain, correct. So I'm seeing some of your programs are B farm, D farm, correct, medicine side, some of them on the nursing side, caring the patients, correct, and then physiotherapy, physical side. So all this, if you see all the data, correct, which is going to come in all these areas, is going to be primary focus for building the solutions using machine learning and data science. So obviously students should learn in one of the areas to equip with the tools which are available. If it's not necessary, technology people will write the solutions around it, but people who are, like, for example, B-Farm side or nursing side or in some of this research side, they can start leveraging the available tools and available data set which is available on the Google or proprietary as well as open data site. Definitely is going to be a big contribution from your side to the students ultimately, and that's a great future we have it, and nice to have this program has been run, and hopefully the results will also come out soon, and continuously having this kind of sessions and then going deeper into the specific areas, correct, will definitely build a good result for overall the academia uh, expertise or learning skills, correct, in this all these areas basically. So I guess it's a good program. Most of you have been attended, and it's going to help in many ways to the institute, faculties, students, in each of these education backgrounds, correct? So that's what I wanted to share. And obviously, policies are important, correct? So when we are talking about the machine learning and data science, there are a lot of things which are coming about the security part, correct? So we need to also understand everywhere that's a very, very important aspect which is coming out, because data is very specific to individual, correct? So healthcare data is again a sensitive data, so we should also, everyone in fact, each one of the persons, because ultimately what is going to happen is who is going to own the data is going to be the owner of that data, correct? And we are seeing a lot of challenges at the global level, where a lot of things are getting stolen, and there are a lot of big legal battles going between some of the giants basically on the data, around data, individual data. So obviously, the end users also, some of members will be the end users, correct? So we have to be very careful about handling the data uh, around the individuals, basically. So that's another aspect which would have been already gone to it. So there are a lot of tools available on around it to guardrail your data, guardrail your patient's data, guardrail your hospital data, research data, correct? So this is going to be a very important, because it's going to make or break enterprises, in fact, even countries. Okay, so that's the most important thing, which obviously crucial part of data science, correct? So when we are dealing with the data, we have to be kind of very careful, and that's another aspect we need to also, if it's already covered, nothing like it, but not, we have to have always an aspect of data security in data science side. So that's the one point which I just wanted to thought to share with all of you. And yes, so this is good. Thanks again for inviting me. And I would have been loved to join one of the sessions, because I usually like to attend some of these sessions in person, and that's you a different perspective, correct? Though you are not directly linked, but some of the programs, we know what is the client expectations, correct? Which comes globally, kind of thing. So obviously it's a good share, and we are good that we have the presence in Nagpur now. A lot of companies are working, a lot of healthcare. In fact, Nagpur is one of uh, the location where a lot of healthcare, and where we are hearing that a lot of complicated cases, correct, is getting handled in some of our hospitals, government medical college. It's always good to go and get a hands-on experience, because if you handle the complex scenarios, correct, to machine learning, data science, you can use those tools and figure it out how we can have a better solution in both the areas, correct? Acute care, as well as how to equip with the different equipments which are getting more and more nano and more easily used. It's obviously it's costly, but obviously it will go get democratized soon, and it will come to us as well. Okay, so that way we are lucky, and if really people wanted to have a healthcare medtech real time scenarios, they should go and work with some of these things. We have very very much lucky to have AIMS here, correct, where maximum different volume of cases comes in, and then how they leverage that, correct. Another thing which I can just share is one of our program in Infosys. We say that is a tech for what is that? It's like a CSR funded program, and there we build a solution. Okay, so recently we have built a solution using ML and data science, where actually correct, we have a lot of eye care hospitals here, correct, for basic eye. We go there, and then doctor do a lot of testing, then they have their equipments. But the app that we are talking about, or we are basically pushing hard, is actually going to take out that 50 to 60% to 70% diagnosis of your eyes through app itself. Okay, and it's getting used popularly in the most of the remote areas as well, where there is internet availability is there, and its collaboration is with one of the Hyderabad hospital. And since I was involved into some of the CSR programs, I saw that fundamentally it's talking about what you have the topic here. Okay, so it has a tech, it has a healthcare diagnostic analysis, capturing the data, and then training the data, and then it leverages a lot of data kind of say processing which happens background, and it gives you the accurate diagnosis of your eyes. Basic diseases are getting figured out like on your mobile itself, correct. So you just imagine how the things, and this is just one example. There are a lot of things which are happening in rest of the world, developed countries, correct. So obviously it will come here, and it's a good case. In fact, we were trying to have this used for AIMS. Here we have the ready platform, which any institute can use it, and then work with some of the hospital and make that solution workable in the real scenario. So we have like one of the module in that is like emergency bed availability, correct. That's very much important when there is a accident happens, and patient requires very quick attention, correct, and he reaches to the hospital, but there's no data where to look, where the best critical emergency ward is available, where the bed is available, where the equipments are available, correct. These are very basic things which definitely going to get solved through machine learning and data science if the data is available in place, and we can build some solution around it. So that is one thing. If someone is interested, I can basically go and connect with that group, and student or some of the faculty members also can join. And I'm telling you, it's like making it happen is really important, correct. One is like taking a training, learning, one part is there, but that's only 20, 30, 40%. What really important is how I can get this done in a real time, where my knowledge, what I learn, is practically getting used, correct. That's the most important thing in all of these programs. And I guess being a faculty members, you have good reach, because I saw close to 5,000 students every year you are having. And I'm also having the perception like it's all like it's not a degree what you take, correct. What is really important in all these areas is anyone can work in any technology of interest, any area of domain of an interest. What is really required is the problem solving skills, correct. So that's most important thing. And I would suggest, if anyone is interested, Anant sir has my number, we can connect, we can have meetings with some of this solution that we have developed, and that can come and get worked out in areas like AIMS, or along with AIMS, or there are a lot of hospitals here, and give an opportunity to faculty as well as students to get some real experience around this area. Okay, that's what I can share. And thanks again for giving this opportunity. This is really great program. Hope to see some of the real-time case studies and some solutions can come out through this in the future. Thank you. Thanks again.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome and insightful address. Now, I would like to invite our principal, Dr. P.L. Nagtode, Tulsiramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, to share his closing remarks.
Today's chief guest, Honorable Mr. Jain Deshkar, esteemed faculty members, distinguished participants, and dear students. Good evening to everyone present or here. It is my privilege to welcome you all to this valedictory session of this enlightening faculty development program, leveraging machine learning and data science in healthcare and MedTech, sponsored by AICT Training and Learning Academy, Atal. I'm happy that, as per my knowledge, 158 participants all over the country has attended this FDP. Over the past week, we have witnessed an incredible exchange of knowledge, ideas, and innovative approaches that have opened new avenues in the intersection of technology and healthcare. This program has not only enriched our understanding but also empowered us with the skills needed to make significant contributions to this rapidly evolving field. Today, we are honored to have with us a distinguished guest, Honorable Mr. Jain Deshkar, Group Project Manager at Infosys Nagpur, whose vast experience and insights in the industry have greatly inspired us. Sir, your presence underscores the importance of this collaboration between academia and industry in fostering innovation and excellence. As we conclude this program, let us take forward the knowledge and connections we have built here to drive impactful research, development, and applications in healthcare and medtech. Let us remain committed to continuous learning and leveraging technology to improve lives. Once again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the participants, organizers, and our esteemed chief guest for making this program a resounding success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now, I request the participants to share their feedback and thoughts on our 1 week online Atal FDP. I request please unmute yourself to share your with us.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Myself, Om Chaugule, I'm pursuing the masters in the Kolhapur and working as the IPR head and the assistant lecturer in the Adarsh group of institution Vita. Sir, it's no words to explain that how was the session and how was FDP is going on. Yeah, in sometimes we get network issue, some glimpse, but you can overcome that all that issue and provide us the very good knowledge, very good resource persons. Each and every trainer is a very good and every trainer has the lots of knowledge about that field and they provide us very useful and impactful real-time solution on particular topic. So the session was too much enthusiastic. Thank you so much all the arrangement team and the principals directors. Also thank you to the Atal team for providing us such platform.
Okay,
Thank
other participant, please turn on your mics and give your valuable feedback. Good evening, everyone. So, like, as a researcher, like my background is not AI/ML, but most of my students are working the like AI/ML project, or as a like whenever I'm actually writing my research paper, it is not focused on the AI/ML, but still I have joined this, and I got so many point out of this FDP. Like I get to interact with the doctors and where the actual the AIML application can be implemented and where like my focus related to the while writing down the research paper, most of the it actually got clear after attending each and every session, and I'm very much thankful to every to whole team to arrange such a dignitaries and such a like actually all the lecture session. I really enjoy it, and I'm very thankful to like a HOD of data science. And mostly like Saira ma'am, she was continuously putting a reminder and asking us, reminding us about the each and every event. So I'm really thankful and I'm very happy. Like I got so many insights about the AI ML application in the healthcare sector. So I'm really thankful to everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Is there any another participant, those who want to share their feedbacks of last 5 days?
Hello, good evening all.
Yeah,
Myself
good evening.
Rajendra Ghatode. I'm working as an assistant professor at DAY-6 College of Engineering, Pune. And I was fortunate to have the part as a play the part or as a participant in this FDP. And I would like to thank Professor Doctor the coordinator, Dr. Dheeraj Karvatkar sir, and Professor Sarabano to conduct very smoothly. And I would like to give the very important inputs in the feedback that all the resource persons have delivered a very good session, and they delivered mainly on the application based education. As a teacher, as a professor, we teach to the student only the syllabus, but many faculties are practicing already, and they are already focusing and the work on the application based education that is required in the industry. Actually, to cope up the recent technology is arrived in IT industries, and the syllabus of universities that we are teaching to the students. So this is the very important, or what we can say, the insightful session for us as a teacher. And the resource persons delivered the application of, mainly we use the library of Python, of machine learning, deep learning, NLP, to the on only to the questions that is mentioned, and we have to just code for the answer to get the answer. But on the application based, if we implement it in the library itself, not use the library for the answer of the question, but to implement, to innovate the library as per the application, that will be great. So these are the insights I got from this session. So very thank you once again. Thanks to the Gaikwad-Patil Gaikwad College of Engineering team and the coordinators. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Yes, dear participant, is there
Yeah,
anyone, those who want to share?
yeah. Good evening to all. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am.
Yeah, I am Dr. Rajashmita Panda. I am the assistant professor of Sri Balaji University. Through FDP, actually, content was relevant and up to date. Speakers were also highly knowledgeable and engaging, the making session informative and also interactive. Particularly appreciated the hands-on workshop and also learning in real time. The program was well organized with a smooth transition between the session and clear communication throughout. Thanks a lot to Atal as well as all the organizing committee and all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. Anyone want to add their feedback summary here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, Dr. Kapil Misal here from Trinity Academy of Engineering, Pune.
Okay, sir.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the organizing team for a successful completion of this FTP, 5 days FTP. And really, it was an informative session wherein we got to know about the practical approach about any of the applications related to medical domain. And really, it will help all the participants uh, in implementing the this machine learning in for their academics. They will be really helping it out in implementing the practical oriented approach using machine learning for medical domain. And really it will help all the participants also to go for any research proposals, and in research area some might go for their PhDs and all, and really it is helpful. Thanks a lot, and once again congratulate the team for a successful completion.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback. Uh, yes. Anyone wants to give their feedback?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Good evening to
Yes.
all my dear friends and organizers. Myself, Sachin Lonkar from IT College Malevan BK. Here I am working as a lecturer in IT department. So this program was so nice and more informative, FDP. All sessions are so good and more informative. Especially the last session was taken by the Nakul sir was so nice, which is on hands-on. So thanks to all organizers of FDP for giving me a opportunity to attend the such wonderful and well-planned Atal FDP. So once again, thanks organizers for giving me a chance to express my opinion about the wonderful FDP. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Is there want to add something, or shall we conclude the program? Okay, Sarah ma'am, please carry on the program.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good evening. This is Dr. Manisha More, Senior Assistant from Sri Balaji University, Pune. Sir, since last 2 years, I am attending one of the epidemic I had attended in 2022. That was with Abha Gaikwad College. And last year also I have attended, and this year along with me my few colleagues are also attending this session. So session you have planned very carefully by keeping in mind that some non ML background people and some engineering background people, they are also familiar, already familiar with the ML AI, generative AI techniques. So you have planned the schedule from basic to advanced topic, and I hope that all the participants who are non background of the ML technologies as well as generative AI technologies, how these technologies are used or the various algorithms are used in the healthcare sector. So really I hope all have enjoyed, and all the sessions, all the experts are very knowledgeable, and the sessions were really very nice, and we enjoyed a lot, and in future also we look forward for such kind of activities, as well as some international IEEE conference. So we will also look forward for that purpose. So thank you so much. Congratulations to organizing team, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, madam. Yes, Sarah madam.
We highly value your opinion, dear participants, and would like to thank you for providing your feedback. Thank you very much, all the participants. Now, moving forward, it's time to acknowledge the efforts of everyone who made this program a success. I request Head of the Department CSC Data Science, Professor Abhimanyu Dutonde, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Uh, so, good evening, all dear participants. It's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on a very successful program on the valedictory of AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on leveraging machine learning and data science in healthcare and medtech. So first and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest for this valedictory program. Honorable Mr. Jain Deshkar sir is a group project manager Infosys Nagpur. Sir, your insightful address has provide us with a deeper understanding of vital role of machine learning and data science playing in the revolutionizing the healthcare and medtech sectors. Your expertise and experience have truly enriched this program. I would like also thanks to AICT Training and Learning Academy for sponsoring this important faculty development program. Your continuous supports in the promoting of advanced learning and teaching practices in invaluable to our academic community. The special thank you for the distinguished speakers and experts who have shared their knowledge and expertise over the past week. Your sessions have been instrumental in the enriching our understanding and the skill in this rapidly evolving field. So, then I would like to thank our honorable chairman of Gaikwad-Patil, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad, for his kind support and motivations. I would like to express my gratitude towards our respected treasurer of GPGI, Gaikwad-Patil Group of Institutions, Dr. Sandeep Gaikwad, sir, for always showing us the right path and encouraging us to work in the right directions. I also would like to thank our honorable principal, Dr. PL Nagtode, for your guidance and the huge supports at all the time. Next, I would like to thank our honorable vice principal, Dr. Pragati Patil, for leading the inspiring us in the working towards the goal of conducting this FDP. Thank you, ma'am. I'm thankful to all deans, HODs, and directors of the Gaikwad Patil Group of Institute uh, for their valuable supports. I biggest also, lastly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants for their active engagement and enthusiasm throughout the program, and your commitment to learn and professional growth is commendable. So thank you all for making this event grand success. We would like to forward to more such enlightening sessions in future also. So I thanks all the organizing team, coordinator of this FDP, Dr. Dheeraj Karvatkar sir, then co-coordinator of this FDP, Saira madam, and all the supporting staff. Uh, Premlata madam is there, Sudha madam is there, then Alex sir is there, Ananta Kamtikar sir is there for helping out to reach this particular program uh, in the successful. So thanks to all participants for your listening and valuable feedbacks also. They have given the very good feedback about this last 5 days. So thank you so much everyone.
Thank you, sir. With that, we officially conclude the validatory program and online 1 week Atal FDP event. Thank you all. Have a great evening.
Thank ma'am.
Saira madam, when will we test?
Ma'am, there are some technical issues on Atal portal. So we are sorting it. Once it is sorted out, I will message you, everyone in the group.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay.